Hi kids. Phonics worksheet 3-letter words. 3-letter words. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U vowels. A letter words. A, P, app. A, P, app. Apples. First one, M. M, app, map. K, app. L, app. N, app. T, app. Next, R, app. See here. M, app, map. K, app, cap. L, app, lab. N, app, nap. T, app, tab. R, app, wrap. By adding one more letter to app, we can form 3-letter words. See here. M, app, map. K, app, cap. L, app, lab. N, app, nap. T, app, tab. R, app, wrap. M, app, map. K, app, cap. L, app, lab. N, app, nap. T, app, tab. R, app, wrap. Next, M, app, map. K, app, cap. L, app, lab. N, app, nap. T, app, tab. R, app, wrap. M, app, map. K, app, cap. L, app, lab. N, app, nap. T, app, tab. R, app, wrap. Next, M, app, map. Where is M, app, map here? Match it. M, app, map. Is this? No, here. Match it. K, app, cap. Where is cap here? Is this cap? No. Is this? Yes. Match it. Next, lab. L, app, lab. Where is L, app, lab? L, here. Match it. Next, nap. N, app, nap. Where is N, app, nap here? Yes. Match it. Next, T, app, tab. This is T, app? No, no. Here, T, app, tab. Match it. R, app, wrap. Where is wrap? Here. Match it. Map, cap, lab, nap, tab, wrap. 3-letter words phonics sound. Thank you kids.